Alright y'all, I'm getting ready to do this crankshaft position sensor on this HHR. I'm running a 2007, and as you see right under here, underneath this hose right here, is the crankshaft position sensor. It's kind of, let me get you a better shot of it here. I can duck underneath this hose, there it is, boom. And it's got a connector piece right there. See that? I'll show you what it looks like in real time. There it is right there. See that? I got a check engine light reading the code. I'll show you what the code is in a minute. First I'm going to change the sensor. And to do that, I have a 1132. Yeah, 1132 on an extender and a reducer. And I have a Craftsman wrench, flathead screwdriver. That's pretty much it. Let's get to it. Alright, so this is about the best I can do for camera position, but I'm going to, you saw what it looks like, so I'm going in. So I'm at the screw that I need to get to. It's right up underneath that hose. And for some reason, the screw that's on the car is not the same size as the screw I have in my hand. Why, I have no idea. But alright, here we go. We got the right socket now, everything, so let's go for it. Alright, took one little tug and I was able to loosen it. That's all it took. Alright, I finally got it out. Did y'all see it? I got it out. I'll take the clip. The screw that came with it is like 20 times bigger than the screws, the aftermarket. I mean 20 times, yeah, bigger than the aftermarket. I said it right the first time. There it is, I got it out. Now, take the, where's the, okay. Y'all heard that screw fall, right? Lose it, it's probably over. Here, I'm gonna grab that. It's not hard, it's just trying to give y'all, you know, Lionsgate film here. You know what I'm saying? Money, shut up. Now the dog wants to get at me. Get at somebody. He ain't getting at me because they know better. Alright. There we go. So now, all I gotta do is get it back in there. It should be good. That's the new one. The old one is out. Alright. Alright, click right in there. You just take the screw and put the screw back in it underneath. Right. Alright, the screw's going in. And then I'll reset the code and we'll see what we got. Alright, so now you just tighten it up. Y'all see the bolt, and the aftermarket part is a 8mm, and the before market GM part is a 10mm. Hope that helps. You just tighten it up. Don't tighten it too snug because it's going into the bolt, the head of the vehicle. You don't want to get too greedy. Alright, and that's pretty much it. That's how a crankshaft position sensor. Now let's go test it out and see what we got. Alright, so we had a code on this vehicle, and we're going to clear the code because we changed the crankcase position sensor. And I've heard of this crankcase position sensor on other vehicles, but this one seems to be not the end of the world. So it says scan or pocket. So I'm going to turn the key to the on position. Alright. Then I'm going to hit read. Sometimes it takes a minute. But I put the part up there so, you know, maybe, okay, there it goes. Got a code here. P0016, that was the code. And nothing else really is going on, so. We got P0016. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this down. Turn this off again, I mean. I turned it off, and now I'm going to turn it into the on position. I'm going to read it again, and this time, wait a minute, I gotta unplug this and start over. So anytime you read it or whatever you're going to do, alright, this thing, there we go. Alright, so anytime you read it or do whatever you're going to do, you want to unplug it. Start over. So I unplug it from down here. And I got the car in the off position. So now I'm going to plug it back in. Okay, now I'm going to turn it back into the on position, and it says pocket scan. So I'm going to turn it to the on position. I wish they would make a longer cord on this on these scanners. It would be so much better. You plug it in, and you know, this is what cord is like, what, 2 feet? So I'm going to hit erase. I hit read. I guess you gotta read it first. I haven't used this thing in a while. Now, I've never seen 2 codes for the same, you know, the same thing, but and these are all the other codes. So let me do this again. It's not giving me a choice right now to delete it. I have no idea why, but let's try it again. I think I have to hold down erase. I haven't used this thing in a while. Alright. Hold down erase. There we go. Erase. And then I hit the button for to erase it.